Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving a system of equations. So the first equation in my system of equations is m squared minus n squared is equal to 9. And now the second equation is m times n is equal to 3. So I'm going to label this the first equation and label this the second equation. Now, what I want to do is find the value of m plus n. So how am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to first focus on my first equation, m squared minus n squared is equal to 9. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square of both sides. So now I have m squared minus n squared squared is equal to 9 squared. Now this turns into m to the power of 4 minus n to the power of 4 minus 2 times m squared times n squared is equal to 81. And this means that m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 81. Sorry, this is a plus right here. Is equal to 81 plus 2 times m squared times n squared. And now from here, I get m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 81 plus 2 times m times n squared. Now, remember how our second equation over here is m times n is equal to 3. Well, we have m times n over here, so we can just plug in 3 for here. So now I get m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 81 plus 2 times 3 squared, which is 2 times 9. And this turns into m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 81 plus 18. And this turns into m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 99. So now if I have something in the form x plus y squared, this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So in this case, I'm going to let x equal to m squared and y equal to n squared. So now I have m squared plus n squared squared is equal to m squared to the power of 2 plus n squared to the power of 2 plus 2 m squared n squared. Now this turns into m squared plus n squared squared is equal to m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 plus 2 times mn squared. And remember how m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 is equal to 99. So I can just plug in 99 for m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4. So now I get m squared plus n squared squared is equal to 99 plus 2 times 3 squared. And this turned into m squared plus n squared squared is equal to 99 plus 18, which is m squared plus n squared squared is equal to 117. So now I'm going to take the square root on both sides. So now I get m squared plus n squared is equal to positive or negative square root of 117, which turns into m squared plus n squared is equal to positive or negative square root of 9 times 13, which is going to turn into m squared plus n squared is equal to positive or negative square root of 9 times square root of 13. And the square root of 9 is equal to 3, so I get m squared plus n squared is equal to positive or negative 3 root 13. So m plus n squared, this is equal to m squared plus n squared plus 2mn. And if I plug in positive or negative 3 root 13, I get m plus n squared is equal to positive or negative 3 root 13 plus 2mn. Now remember how mn is equal to 3, so I get m plus n squared is equal to positive or negative 3 root 13 plus 6. Now, I'm going to write this as m plus n squared is equal to 6 plus or minus 3 root 13. And this gives me two equations. I get m plus n squared is equal to 6 plus 3 root 13, and m plus n squared is equal to 6 minus 3 root 13. So, this means that if I take the square root on both sides, m plus n is equal to positive or negative 6 plus 3 root 13. So this is my value of m plus n, and the reason this doesn't work, this equation doesn't have a solution, is because any number squared is going to be positive, not negative, but 6 minus 3 root 13 is a negative number, so that can't work out.